You finally sat down to do deep work and got up for water 4 times in 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes of deep work will try to destroy you. The first 15 minutes of deep work feel like psychological warfare. Resistance, restlessness, sudden urgent hunger, the need to check something, anything. Most people mistake this feeling for a sign they are not built for deep work. They are wrong. It is a sign that it is working. Subscribe to Technology Upside because nobody explains what deep work actually feels like in the first minutes. And that gap is why most people quit before it begins. Your brain has 2 dominant modes: diffuse, scattered, passive, consuming, and focused, locked, productive, generative. Switching between them is not instant. There is a transition cost, usually 10 to 20 minutes, where your brain is fighting the shift. That friction is not failure, it is the entrance fee. The people who master deep work have one edge over everyone else. They have done it enough times to trust the transition. They know the discomfort ends. They know what is on the other side. You build that trust by surviving the first 15 minutes repeatedly until your brain stops treating focused work as a threat. Once you're through the transition, the question becomes, how long can you stay there? And most people hit a ceiling, not from distraction, but from something happening in their own thinking. A hidden cognitive leak that drains the session from the inside. That is what the next video is about.